Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to subtract 8 from teen numbers. Now, since this is a word problem, we are going to read the word problem 3 times. And we know on the 3rd time, we're going to do cubes. So it says, John had 12 pieces of Halloween candy. He gave 8 of them to his sister. How many pieces of candy does John have left? Read again. John has 12 pieces of Halloween candy. He gave 8 of them to his sister. How many pieces of candy does John have left? Now I'm going to read it again, and this time I'm going to do cubes as we're reading it. John had 12 pieces of Halloween candy. He gave 8 of them to his sister. How many pieces does John have left? I circled 8 and 12. Underline the question, how many pieces of candy does John have left? A boxed in piece of Halloween candy that lets us know what we're talking about. Then also boxed in gave. That tells us that he gave some away, which means that we're taking away. We're going to be subtracting. So we're going to do our number sentence. We're going to know it's 12, how many he had, minus 8 he gave to his sister. How many he's taking away equals, we don't know. Now we're going to break apart the teen number the 10 way. Well, the teen number just means that there's a 1 10. So that means that there's going to be a 1 in front, in that kind of like the tens place right here. So even though the 12 doesn't say, we don't say teen for it, it's still going to be a teen number. So 12, we're going to break apart into 10, 2. That's a 10 way. Now we're going to draw these parts. We're going to draw 10. And we're going to draw 2. We're going to box in 10. Now we're going to take 8 away from 10. So I'm going to cross out 8 away from 10. Now I'm going to circle what's left, and we're going to have to add this together to figure out our answer. There's 2 inside the box plus 2 outside the box. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.